Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in Code LLM Teams, and I'm going to show you how to use this incredible AI code editor. In particular, we're going to create an AI-driven HTML puzzle game in under 30 seconds. That's right, guys. If you are a seasoned developer, or if you're just new to coding and you're looking to do some vibe coding, I have you covered. Let's dig in. Let's look at this. All right, to get started, it's easy. There's two ways, actually. You can head over to their website here, Code LLM. I'll just put a link in the description below. Just click on Get Started. And yes, do note it's only $10 per user a month. I mention that because you also get access to Chat LLM Teams, and that comes with the kitchen sink, video generation, AI image generation, all the large language models, chatbots, you name it. It's all in there as well, and it's $10 a month. If you are a Chat LLM Teams member already and you've got a subscription, you can just do this right here. You just go down here to the left side and you'll see Code LLM. Click it, and then it'll ask you to download, depending on if you're in a Mac, Linux, or Windows. Just hit the button, install it. Now, let's get cooking. All right, here we go. We've got ourselves a fresh install of Code LLM, and here it is loaded up here. Now, there's a few things you might want to take a quick look at before we create the game here. And again, it's going to take us 30 seconds to do it here. On the left side, you'll see you've got a whole bunch of different options and icons in this toolbar. Explorer, search, they've got source control, run and debug, all the standard stuff. If you have used Visual Studio Code, you will be very familiar with this here. They've even got extensions you can install. But anyways, let's just go ahead and start cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I am going to go up here to File, and then I'm just going to go ahead and create a new text file. We are going to keep this very simple here. Let's go ahead and select our language. This is optional, but I like to do it here, so I'm going to select a language. And for this one, we're vibe coding. We're having some fun. I'm going to go ahead and select HTML. Done. That is literally it. Now, on the right side, this is where we can add some magic here. You'll see you've got two options. We've got chat and we've got agent. Now for this one, we're going to go ahead and stick to chat, but I do want you to know that agent is available. Also down here at the bottom, while I got you here, when I click on this little triangle, you'll see here you have access to all of these incredible AI models. Sonnet 3.7, Sonnet 3.7 Thinking, Gemini 2.5 Pro, it's just burning it up on Twitter right now. It's apparently amazing for coding. O3 Mini High, O1, etc. It's all in there, guys. It's pretty wild. That said, all you need to do to start the process is type something in here. Type what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and type something in. Let me see what I'm going to do here. All right, let's type in create an HTML puzzle game. I mean, this is as easy as it gets. This is going to create a working game, and I'm going to prove it to you. Let's go ahead and click on the go button here, and watch this. It's processing here, and you'll see here that we're under chat here. It's creating an HTML puzzle game. Now, while it thinks, let me show you something else here. I'm going to go back into Microsoft Edge here, and check this out. This is an example of a game that I made earlier. It's just here. It's just a nice, simple sliding puzzle game. You'll see here, here's the gray square, and then I select another square. I click down, and you'll see the numbers are changing as I move around here. It's pretty simple. It's a simple game, but it works. And also here on a blank page, if I was to go ahead and paste it in there, as you can see here, look at that. It works in seconds. So it does exactly what it says it's going to do. But that said, let's go back here to Code LLM, and let's see what it came up with here. Oh, while we were working there, it is done here. So here it is, index.html, which is great. It is an HTML file. We can just go ahead and flip through this. Now, of course, you can go ahead and make changes to it if you want to make this a little bigger maybe. Let's pull that out a bit here so you can see it a little better here. It's even got all of the starter. It's got the boilerplate. It's got everything in here. Let's go right to the bottom here. Oh, look at that here. Pretty cool stuff, right? Yeah, all right, at the bottom here, you'll see here, here's how the code works. It tells you exactly what the game is. The board is represented as a one-dimensional array with 0 as the empty cell. The game starts in a solved state. Okay, very cool stuff. You can go through it here, but let's just go ahead and grab the code here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go up here to the top. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy and paste it. Now, there's probably an easier way to do this, but I like to make my life hard. Oh, look at that here. Even better. Just hit the copy button. Okay, well, whatever. No biggie. So let's go back to Microsoft Edge here, and then let's take this code out here. Now, I am on a website called Trinket.io, and the reason why I'm here is because it just gives you a blank HTML canvas that you can just copy it in, and then it will load the game. And oh, it looked a pretty similar game. It just added in a few more rows. And look at that here. I'm just going ahead and clicking on it. It works right out of the box, guys. That is absolutely wild. And we did this in Code LLM. We can go ahead and make any kind of change we want to do this. We want to change the colors. If you know HTML, you'll know exactly what's going on here. You can go ahead and make any of those changes. But that is vibe coding, guys. Vibe coding, it was coined by Andrew Karpathy, and it's basically for those of you that just want to code and you're not like, you know, a serious developer, but you want to learn it. Guys, it's here. Code LLM is the tool for you. I have put a link in the description below. This is wild stuff, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.